Welcome my friends. I have another logo design template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video in video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library and Templates and where folder where you extracted the file. Just drag and drop design logo design number 6, connect to media out, press number 2 on the keyboard and you will get the logo. Wait few seconds to render and that's it. As you can see, when I ungroup here, you will get it's a little bit mess. Well, as you can see here, first one is the background, is the gradient, and I disconnected this one, but if you want to use it, just connect to the green arrow and you will get to two lens flare, two lights. Is everything is animated and is going back and forth just like this. Animation is done here in this rectangle, here in the angle, as you can see. And if you don't like it, you can just change the angle and it will be it. Next one here is the light inside the eye, and here you could see the four glows. One is get a small shine, and then next glow will be, you see, horizontal, and another will be vertical ratio, and then go in another glow, so it enhances the intensity of the light. All right, next three are for the text. These three, when I disconnect, you will see this is first one is only text, the background, and then second one is the light with the mask with the fast noise, and next one is this black shadow. It gives this glossy effect, and the same thing is for the dragon. You will have three pieces. When I disconnect, you see the first one is only the background. Obviously, you can change the background color. When I connect like this, you will see the light, and I use the fast noise here. Is of course it is animated, and next one is for the glossy effect, the shadow, and how it is done. It's done with you will see polygon tool, and I just painted the vector and go inside, everything go inside the background like this, and background is the gradient. You can change it obviously, and connect inside the merge to enlarge. Enlarge will be to 4K, and then the glow to get a get the light effect, and here the phase noise will be used for this light scatter light around. And then everything go inside here, the last merge, and then in this merge here I just flip. So if you want to have on the right side, you can just uncheck this and it will flip. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.